Okay, so today I'm going to design a sticky navbar in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So, how to use in ASP.NET Core, and you have to design the templates for with the sticky navbar. So, in the body section, you have just to go for the nav items. So, nav class. So here we have a nav class. Also, we have a division with the container class. Okay, so you know that, and also a h1 tag with the logo. I want to say that it's a navigation bar with the attached with your boundary of your screen. So here we am going to use container, and h1 is the logo, and here I'm going to add a href. And in this video, just I'm going to add index.html, and you can say website sticky simple. Okay, and in this video here I'm going to add h1 right here, and after the h1 you just define the ul list, because this is the actually you can say that this is the logo. Okay, and here I'm going to use ul tag, and in this video just I'm going to add a li tag. Under the li tag, here I'm going to add href tag, and with the hash, and the first item class is the active class, so just class active class, and this is, you can say that that's the home. So after the li you have just duplicate the copy of the li by using just selecting that, and just and control it. Okay, okay, so just after that just paste it 4 times, and here I'm going to add the hash. The class is not actually existing with this the second component. This second component is about, third component is contact, and fourth component is privacy, you know that, and the active class is attached with your home only. So just remove all these. Okay, now after that you have to just add a new class, in the division. So div dot man, the class name, and inside it you can say div dot container, and inside it here we have h1 tag, and just define welcome, and now just define p tag, and here I'm going to add this lorem ipsum. So this is the text. Okay, and you can say it's a dummy text. Okay, now save this, and just you want to just click on it and just write and open with the live server. So this is your output, and just I'm going to design and decorate it with the style seed. So just wait, and just I'm going to design and decorate it with the style. So after that we have to just add a new image inside your main content, looking like that. So just open the style.css, and just you have to first of all overall styles, so just mention the star, and here I'm going to use box.sizing is the border box, so border box, and the next one is the margin is 0 from the left top right bottom, and the padding is also 0 from the top left right bottom. Okay, the next one is the body tag. So just I want to set it here, and in the body tag you have to first of all set the color is hash 2222. Okay, and the next one is, so now we are going to add the class is container, and in the container class just you have to add the next thing is to first of all max width is 1200 pixel, and the margin is 0 from top to bottom, and auto from the left to right. Okay, so here we have, so in the container you can see this is the left to right, bottom is the margin, and under section. So now the next apply on your index.cs HTML, it's the main class. Just I'm going to add it here. So the style, the container class is max width is 200 pixel, and the margin is looking like this 0 and the auto. So just I'm going to add a main class, and in the main class you just have to add background image, and with the URL, and here we have to set the URL. Just I'm going, this is the image, just I'm going to add it here and just save this, and you can see it's an image looking like that. So this is the background image, and just I want to set the cover of the image just like that. So background repeat is no repeat. Okay, and you can say background size, background size is cover. Just I want to know, just save this, and you will see that this is the cover of the image. And background position, background position is bottom center, and bottom center, this is the bottom center. Just I want to take it here, and you can say height of the image, height is 50, viewport height is the 50. So just save this, and you can see it's a viewport height is 50, and you notice that it's a lorem ipsum is the uh, large text on it. So just I want to set a few more text. So just remove the line from here. Okay, that's enough. And that is the text. And style.css height is viewport height is, and just I want to show the color of the text. Color is hash FFF. Okay, it's lightly visible, so just I want to display in flags, displays flags. Okay, and the justify center, justify content is center, and align items is center, align item is center. So here we have align item is center, and text align is center, text align is center, and position is relative, and margin bottom like that. Position is relative, and text align is center, and position is relative, and the margin bottom is 20 pixels. Okay, so this is the nice stuff. Here I'm going to add. Okay, so this is the bottom. If you have the viewport is height is 150 pixel. Okay, now the text is not visible in just over the image, so just I want to add z index. So here I am going to add -2, that is the image text is visible on that, but I want to take it image transparency, so that the text will visible clearly. So here you can say that the class is main, and just colon before, that is the class main, and the content of the class, sorry, content in the class is empty, and here you can say that position is absolute for, and the next one is the top position is top 0, and left is also 0, so left is also 0, and the width is 100% and height is also 100%. So just save this, and you can say width is 100% and height is also 100%, and the background color is brown. Okay, and it's not actually brown, RGB color, RGB color, red, I mean to say that 0, and green is also 0, blue is also 0, but alpha is 0.5. Okay, now save this, and you will see that this is the darker image inside it here, because the 000 is the black color, and 0.5 is the half black color looking like that in the background image, because the opacity is 0.5, so image is looking like that. But you can see that here we have welcome Lorem Lipsum, that is the text is not visible. So that text is just I want to visible, so you can use that index is -1, and here we have the -1. Just I want to set the image height is 100 pixel, viewport height, so looking like that. Okay, so this is your text, and it's looking like cool. Okay, now just go for the navigation bar. So here we have a navigation class, nav class, and container is also mentioned right here. And in the navigation bar, you have to say that it's a container, max width is 200 and the man content is like that. And so just I'm going to use dot nav class, and you have to add position is fixed. Position is fixed. So you can say it's in fixed, it's in just I'm going to scroll down like that, it's in fixed. Okay, so the next one is background color, and background color is has 222, that is the background black, and top is 0, and left is also 0, and the right left top 0, and the right is also 0, and the next thing is transition. So the smooth, when I move to this sticky toolbar, so you can say that when it's in background color, so the all properties of the background color and all are reflected with the transition. So the all properties and 0.4 second, and ease in out transition. Okay, looking like that, you can say that it's not movable because background color is fixed and looking like that. Okay, so the nav color, the navigation is looking like that. The position, background color, top, left, right, and all transition. So in the navigation bar we have also a container class. So navigation have a container class. So just I want to separate from the sticky example and sticky example and the all UL tags. So these all are using the flags property. So you can say dot navigation dot container, and all these are display in the flags. Okay, so you can say it's unseparated with this line. So just I want to separate all these content, so justify content is space between, so space between, oops, space around. Okay, so looking like that, space between. And the next one is a line item, that is center from the vertical to the horizontal. So vertically a line items, a line item is center. So looking like that, this is the gap between this line. So here we have, and the next one is padding is 20 pixel, and the top to right, top to bottom is 20 pixel, left to right is 0. And the next one is transition, that is the same. So looking like that, you can see it's in transition effect. So you can see, looking like that, you can see it's an transition effect in 0.4 second is in out. Okay, and the next one is to do, that is the nav UL tag, the list items. Just I want to line this light item of this. So in the UL tag, so just I want to set the display in the flags. So save this, and you can see that this is the all items. And the next one is the list style type is the default is none. And the next one is line items. Align items is center, and justify content is center. So looking like that. And in this just I'm going to add nav a tag. So the color of the a tag is #f, that is the white. And text decoration is none. So underline is removed from the hyperlinks. So you can see this is the text of the color. And spacing, just I want to add, so just padding is 20 pixel from top to bottom. And okay, it's top to bottom is 10 pixels, and in the 15 pixels from the left to right. Okay, so looking like that, this is pretty much nice. This is the sticky type, and you can see it's looking like that. Okay, so